Number 1.
1994 Ford F-150, price $7,000, showing 207,000 miles on the odometer. It remains in excellent running condition and continues to demonstrate the durability that made Ford's F-Series a legend. Equipped with a 5.8L V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission, this truck delivers smooth power and consistent performance, whether on daily drives or light hauling tasks. The exterior is finished in a timeless red color, complemented by a clean gray interior that has been maintained with care. This model features an extended cab with a regular bed, offering extra space for passengers while maintaining a practical bed length for cargo. A drop-in bed liner adds protection and convenience, preserving the truck's usefulness and condition. It runs great, starts easily, and the cold AC makes every drive comfortable, even in warm weather.
Number 2.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. This truck has approximately 153,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a V6 engine paired with a 4L60 transmission. The truck holds a rebuilt title, due to a previous impact on the passenger side front fender. Despite that, it remains hard to find in such an all-original condition, making it an excellent candidate for an LS swap. The current owner initially planned to build and modify it but decided to let it go due to owning too many vehicles. In terms of functionality, the air conditioning system has a leak that causes it to lose refrigerant within a day, and the driver's side window is currently inoperative.
Number 3.
1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500. This model is finished in a striking orange exterior that highlights its bold and timeless design, while the black interior adds a touch of sophistication and contrast. Having traveled just 90,000 miles, the truck offers impressively low mileage for its age, a clear indicator of careful use and proper maintenance over the years. Under the hood, it houses a strong and dependable V8 gasoline engine, known for delivering excellent power and performance whether on the open road or handling heavy-duty tasks. The automatic transmission operates smoothly, making for an effortless and responsive driving experience. Every component of this truck, from its drivetrain to its bodywork, reflects attention to detail and a commitment to preserving its original quality.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,900. It has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. The truck's exterior is finished in white, complemented by a blue interior, and it runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic gearbox, offering smooth and reliable performance. The vehicle includes air conditioning, though it has not been converted or made operational, and the radio is currently non-functional. There is a minor pan gasket leak that appears when the truck sits for extended periods. A partial restoration was initiated about 3 years ago, during which the truck was painted and the bed was removed from the frame. The body shows no structural rot, only surface rust under the bed liner, and a new bed liner is included with the vehicle. Despite its age, this Chevrolet 2500 runs flawlessly and has recently received brake servicing along with the installation of an electric brake controller, enhancing its safety and towing capability.
Number 5.
1993 Ford F-150, price $3,495. This truck is a true American classic that showcases the durability and strength that made Ford trucks legendary. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it runs and shifts smoothly, offering the kind of solid performance that enthusiasts appreciate in older pickups. With 144,000 miles on the odometer, it has seen its share of the road but remains in strong running condition. With only a few minor quirks expected from a 32-year-old truck, the gray exterior paired with a gray interior gives it a clean, timeless look that complements its rugged character. Powered by gasoline, this F-150 retains the dependable spirit of a true workhorse, built to last and ready for more adventures. Overall, it's a solid and well-preserved truck that captures the essence of classic Ford craftsmanship.
Number 6.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has approximately 140,000 miles on a newly replaced motor, offering both power and dependability. Recently repainted, the exterior boasts a clean and vibrant look that highlights the truck's classic lines and sturdy build. Although the restoration process has already begun, a few finishing touches remain to bring it to completion. The interior requires some attention, including the installation of new door panels, repair of a tear in the headliner, and replacement of a cracked dashboard.
These are primarily cosmetic details, as the body remains straight and the truck runs and drives smoothly. The tires are in fair condition, ensuring it is still roadworthy while leaving room for future upgrades. Number 7.
1984 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, powered by a robust 454 motor paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 180,000 miles on the odometer and retains a clean title, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or daily utility use. Finished in a white exterior, the truck presents a clean, straightforward look that highlights its durable design. Under the hood, the engine and transmission run strong, providing plenty of power for hauling, towing, or cruising. It's fitted with new seats that refresh the interior and good tires that ensure dependable traction and ride quality. While the truck is mechanically solid, it does need a bit of attention, specifically a brake service and a tune-up, to reach its full potential.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $5,250. It has a total mileage of 298,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. The engine was professionally rebuilt approximately 10,000 miles ago, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Inside, the truck has been nearly fully restored. It includes a new bench seat, new headliner, new sun visors, a professionally refurbished radio, and new speakers, among other updates that enhance comfort and style. Although the exterior shows some wear, it carries a rugged charm that reflects its character. Notable key features include a custom grille, a Cervini's fiberglass hood, classic Craig RSS wheels, and a dual-exit exhaust system that adds both visual appeal and a distinctive sound.
Number 9.
1982 Jeep J10, price $4,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a classic brown exterior. Powered by a strong 360 V8 engine paired with a TH400 transmission and an NP208 transfer case, it delivers dependable performance both on and off the road. The truck features Dana 44 axles, providing solid durability and handling. The vehicle starts up effortlessly every time and runs as smoothly as it drives.
Structurally, it's very sound with no undercarriage or frame rust, though there's a small spot of rust on the driver's bedside.
With its toughness and reliability, this J10 would make an excellent choice for a hunting lease or outdoor adventures, though its condition is impressive enough that it truly deserves more than just a work or field truck.
Number 10.
1967 Ford F-150, price $9,995. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Both recently serviced, the transmission has been rebuilt and the engine finely tuned, including replacement of belts and hoses, all within the last 200 miles, with receipts available. The truck features stock suspension fitted with new shocks, and the original drum brakes have been fully refreshed with new components, including drums and shoes, ensuring reliable stopping power. Other recent updates include a brand new windshield with fresh front and rear rubber seals, a new fuel pump and filter, as well as new window regulators. It rides on a set of new tires with less than 100 miles of use.